In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira dashboard from your Kanban board. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Jira site and that you have access to your Kanban project. From the main navigation, open your Kanban board. This is usually listed under your software projects. The board you want is the one where you already manage your issues in columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Once that board is open on your screen, we'll use it as the starting point to move into the dashboard area. On the Kanban board, look towards the top of the page for the navigation or menu area that's highlighted in this guide. Click on that highlighted area. This will help you move away from the board view and towards Jira's more general navigation, where dashboards live. Next, click on the next highlighted section shown in the guide. This is taking you into the dashboard section of Jira. If you're following along on your own screen, you should now see a dashboards page, which is where you can create and manage custom views of your project data. On the Dashboards page, look for the button or link labeled Create Dashboard. This is usually near the top of the screen. Click on Create Dashboard to open the configuration window for a brand new dashboard. You'll now see a form where you can enter some basic information. In the highlighted field, type in the name you want to give your dashboard. Choose something clear and descriptive like Kanban Overview or Team Status Dashboard so that you and your teammates can easily recognize it later. You may also see fields for a description or sharing options. Fill in what makes sense for you, keeping in mind who needs to see this dashboard. Once you've entered the details in the highlighted field, click on the highlighted button to confirm your choices. This prepares the dashboard and takes you into the edit view. Now click on Save to create the dashboard with those settings. After saving, you'll be taken to the dashboard editor where you can start adding gadgets. Gadgets are the small panels that show things like charts, issue lists, or statistics. On the dashboard edit page, click on the highlighted Add button. This opens the gadget gallery. Select a gadget you want to use, then confirm by clicking Add. Repeat this process each time you see Add highlighted in the guide. Each add click represents adding another gadget to your dashboard layout. Continue clicking Add to include as many gadgets as you need, following the highlighted areas shown. When you're done, your new Jira dashboard will be ready, populated with the gadgets you've added, and you can start using it to monitor your Kanban work more effectively.